Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places to explore. Join us as we share those adventures with you.
That includes the food, the places, and the people we meet. In general, our rich culture. This is
YaadMentz.
Season 2.
Hey everyone, welcome to season 2 highlight video. Can you believe the season is finished already?
Yes.
It was a good season. I want to say big up yourself to those who have newly subscribed. Big up to those who have newly liked. Big up on yourself. We're glad that you're joining us for another episode of YaadMentz.
Season 2 recap.
Yep. So we'll be recapping a few things. If you had watched our previous highlight video, you'll kind of know what it's about.
Right.
And we'll have a big surprise giveaway at the end. So make sure if you wanna be a part of that, stay tuned.
So welcome back to season 2 recap video. So this season we did so much different things, some similar to last season 1. We did some showdowns, we visited some different places. I don't think we visited a lot of food establishments this season.
Yeah, we tried to definitely mix it up.
Yeah.
Create a variety of different videos. Yeah.
Right. So we hope that you had enjoyed every single video this season.
We did.
We did our best to switch it up and do something different and stuff so that we can keep you guys entertained, just to see our experiences to different places and just to give our take on the places that we visit and just to try something different and new every week on YaadMentz.
Yes,
right.
That's what we seek to do. So if you're new and you're wondering what we're doing, that is what we're about.
Right. So for this season, let's see what we can start with. We're going to recap let's start with the favorite memory. What was your favorite memory for this season?
For me, the memory that was my favorite was definitely going to the zoo. I haven't been to the zoo in so long, and it was just so fun to see the different animals, to see how they actually refurbish the place, and it was a good experience in that with him who has never been to the zoo before. So that was a great memory.
The zoo was good. Unfortunately, the lion did not roar.
That's all him saying. Like he want the lion to roar. He expects the all animals to be jumping up and down and making a bag of noise.
But it was a good experience though. The place was really nice. So big up to Hope Zoo for maintaining and keeping up them standards. It was good. For me, my favorite moment was when we went to Strawberry Fields together. It's beach. I always love going to the beach. So it was a nice outing. I think we enjoyed ourselves.
It was a good outing.
She never get to go into the water, but.
Why you have to keep saying that? I didn't get to go in the water. Okay.
But it was a good moment. I love the beach. I love going anything where water is concerned. So the beach was my favorite moment. Alright, so let's dive into something different. What was your funniest moment?
Alright, my funniest moment, hands down, was when we did our version of the Whisper Challenge. Whisper make me see. If you don't check out none of these videos, make sure you check them out.
Yes.
The part especially in that video was when I was like, why you putting it? Why you did it here? Yes, why you did it here? And he was like, what? It was so hilarious. I found it so funny, and it was really fun to film as well. So that was my funniest. I had a lot of laughs, so that was my funniest moment.
For me, my funniest memory or moment was when we went to Jam Zone. We went bowling. Why? It was fun to see them on the ball. Last season she laughed at me when we went to Skateland.
You get to laugh at me.
She's not like
got a ball.
Big baller, but she can do her thing. But she got a lot of gutter balls. But she's learning.
Wow.
I think she's getting better at it. So that was my funniest moment. Alright, so something different. Best to eat, best food that you have tried this season. Something.
My best to eat was definitely Satiable Delight.
Right.
I remember in that video I was like,
Episode
pork
1.
for my money. Pork for my money. The pork was so good, y'all. If you haven't checked out Satiable Delight, please go and check them out, and check out our video if you haven't watched it as well. So that was definitely my favorite eat.
Yeah, Satiable Delight was good. It's new and it's a nice environment. It was in a nice comfy place and the food was good as well. But for me, my favorite food place was Brood Awakening. The Callaloo frittata was something different I've never tried before, and I think it was really good. It's a double thumbs up for me, so you should try that out. At Brood Awakening of Hope Road. Yeah. And the last one, let's see what our last one is who anybody want to big up for commenting, always commenting on our videos and stuff.
So definitely somebody who stood out was Shadeen Bartley. I believe she commented on almost every single one of our videos. Yeah, man, she definitely got hard. She was on a mission. Yeah. So big up yourself, girl. You get a big up. Big up yourself, Shadeen. Thank you for the love. I
have to big up Janelle Foster. Janelle Foster is one of our new viewers. Yeah. She came in and she just give her a take on what she think about her stuff. So big up Janelle. Also want to big up Kevin as well, who came in, and Kevin was just like, yo. Kevin was there commenting on this and giving his take. Yes. Kevin, the wine.
He gave a lot of suggestions as well.
Kevin, the wine thing should be coming, and the pasta.
Yes. Kevin is a foodie too, so big up yourself for a fellow foodie.
And also we still want to big up Queenie. Queenie is
still coming. Big up yourself, good
still
girl.
Coming, so big up Queenie, definitely. So, yeah.
Alright guys, so we mentioned earlier in the video that we'll be doing a giveaway. This is something that we started in season 1, and it's something that we definitely want to continue doing.
Definitely.
So Sean is going to explain to you what the rules are for this giveaway.
So before I tell you about the rules, we want to know that we are giving away a movie voucher.
Yes.
So you can go and watch any movie at the Carib Theatre.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the giveaway, right?
Yes.
So the rules are you must subscribe to the YouTube channel.
So if you don't subscribe, just pause the video and just click subscribe, and you can click the notification bell as well, so you can get notifications when we upload videos.
Definitely. So you must like the season 2 recap video. So this video, make sure you give a like to it as well.
Give it a thumbs up.
And under this video, in your comment section, we want you to comment your best favorite memory or episode for season 2. So tell us which video was your favorite. You can tell us why it was your favorite as well. If you like to see Devon eating, or you like to see me making fun of Devon or something.
Wow.
You must. Also, it's a must that you follow us on Instagram as well.
Yes, follow us at YaadMentz on Instagram. That information is in our description bar below, and it will be somewhere on the screen. We always have it up on the screen somewhere.
Right. So the winners will be chosen randomly. Last season we did we put person's name in a basket, and we did a live feed on Instagram. So we want everybody to tune in on that. We will notify persons as well when we will do the live feed, so that persons can say that yes, we actually did something. So it's not like a friend thing where I try conspire. No, I really meant right. Where I get the right way, right?
Yes. And we really want to big up DeAndre. She was our season 1 giveaway winner. So big up yourself, DeAndre. We hope you enjoyed the movie. Comment down below if you did.
Tell us if you did and how was it.
Tell us what movie you watched. Yeah.
Right, so that people can say that we did actually do something like this. You see? So yes, we want to big up everybody for tuning in, for liking, for sharing, for just your continued support. Whether it be a good comment or just critiquing our work, we love it. We welcome everything. And we want everybody to know that we appreciate your suggestions. We do appreciate your suggestions. We haven't done every one of them.
But we have a long list. We definitely take into consideration every suggestion that you're giving us. We literally have a long list.
Yes.
So we are getting through them, and of course you can continue to add suggestions.
Right, places that we can try and visit and stuff. We have a long road.
Yeah.
So I think we will definitely be trying out a lot of these suggestions that you guys have suggested for us to try and do. So again, we just want to big up everybody for commenting, sharing, liking, and just to
supporting us on this journey. We really appreciate it, and we are looking forward to seeing you guys in season 3. Can you believe it's season 3 already? Yeah. Big up on yourself.
I'm going things, man.
See you guys in season 3. Bye.
YaadMentz season 2 recap.